Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, December 27th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ last Friday of the trading year. So yesterday the market again attempted to push higher into Fed Day's single prints. ES took back a good part of them, but didn't take them all back. They held the single print also from the 24th. Right now, we're trading in balance, in value. I left early yesterday. We had a trend day up that was obviously taken back. So basically, ES had the day's high, the day's low. They did have an afternoon pullback low in G. Right now, though, we're trading inside the buy tail from yesterday. NQ also made its way, took back one set of singles, but they still have another fairly large one above them from the 18th. They ended up with a 10Y point of control, which is going to be a downside destination, and a pullback. But where we're trading now, right now, the POC would be an upside destination, as they also are trading just above the buy tail. Now, we had nice buy tails yesterday. Now, some people might have been calling the ES and NQ up. I have no problem with that. I was calling it balance. I wanted to incorporate the Fed day. But I have no problem after coming out of an inside day if you called it up the last 2 days. Again, it's all subjective. Same with NQ. Righty, on the other hand, to me, I would call up because they hadn't taken out much of Wednesdays prior to yesterday. So righty right now, you can basically call up. They ended up yesterday with an 8-wide point of control, an afternoon pullback, a trend day up that held. Look at this. They have single prints in C and B. Also had a nice price probe late in the day, but right now, again, there's 75 minutes to go. It's being rejected, but again, a lot can happen prior to the opening. So, game plan for this morning. Now, just because I'm calling the daily balance still, doesn't mean I won't look to see if they protect not yesterday's low, but the 24th's low, right? Because some people will be calling it up, so that's a level they would protect. I'm sorry. Yesterday's low would be a level they would protect into the single prints. Because if you take out yesterday's low, if you're calling it up, you're automatically back to balance, right? Same with NQ. So on a pullback, depending on where the overnight low is, it's a decent risk-reward long. Right now, the overnight low is pretty far still from yesterday's low. It's 7 handles. I don't think you're going to take that much heat. But at some point, like NQ, that's a decent risk-reward long against yesterday's low. Take out yesterday's low, out of the trade. If they do get the overnight lows and then push up, this is a great risk-reward short against yesterday's half back for both of them. Why? Because look, it's right below value low from yesterday. Now again, a lot can happen prior to the opening, but if we're in this level, at these levels down here somewhere around there, those would be early plays. Okay? In the next hour or so, and if we open at 9:30 and we open up near here, this is a good risk-reward short against a 10-wide point of control in NQ and out above the overnight high. So these are all early plays. Again, if you're in the trading room, starting at 9:15, we start discussing both sides of the market and what we would do on either side, right? We never come in biased. We're always giving both sides of the market. And remember, January 6th, the pricing's going up for CamelbackTrading.org. I see what some people charge. Some people have been students or traders in my room, and then I see them start their own rooms, which is great. But for what they charge as compared to what I charge is pretty interesting. So again, if you sign up before January 6th, your price will stay the same as long as you are in the trading room. And then quickly on the chart, we will recap all of these charts tonight. We're all inside weeks right now. So that could set up an interesting end of the week, beginning of the new year next year, if we hold that. We are inside weeks right now. And on the daily, again, for me, it's just one big 6-day balance. Good luck trading today. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. And we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.